How you going, brother? So I've just been doing a quick sketch of sort of in that area of the engine bay, and maybe mimic it a little bit on the other side. I've just been looking at this new video that you sent me. I've been looking at this, the steering box and the part of the column you got still in the car. But maybe you might be able to hide it with that inner panel, then run the shaft out as it gets a bit closer, depending on how much you want to hide and how much room you've got with engine exhaust and all that sort of crap. So I thought maybe a shape like that that's going to help come up over the suspension and stuff. I've just roughly drawn in the sort of borderline where the wheel would be, and sort of drawn the side of the hood or the bonnet or whatever you want to call it, and sort of just roughly drawn that to that tail light sort of scallop shape that we're going to put in there as well. Just a bit of a representation of it. That's sort of what I come up with. Firewall, I'm still sort of working on it, but maybe just a nice bead roll around there up over the tunnel, and possibly just something around where the brake booster and the column comes through for just a little bit extra strength. Obviously you can have extra strength on the inside of it, but just to help with extra strength with flex. Sort of what I've got so far. I haven't done anything else with the extra body lines on the outside, but that's sort of what I've got so far, just to give you a bit more of an idea. So I think that would sort of hide most things pretty well. Looking at this. So I'll bang this up on YouTube for you and put it on the list and send you the link, and then when I do a bit more I'll do the same. Sorry. See ya.